Hi everyone! Have you ever built an amazing Salesforce flow, only to realize that your international users can't understand the text? It's a common challenge. Today, we're going to dive into how to translate text within your Salesforce flows. Making your flows multilingual is essential for a global user base. It ensures everyone has a consistent and understandable experience. Let's make your flows accessible to all your users, no matter their language. First, understanding what needs translation is key. Think about all the text your users see. This includes screen component labels, help text, pick list values in choices, and any custom error messages. All these elements need to be translated for a truly localized experience. The primary tool we'll use for this is Salesforce's powerful Translation Workbench. This is where you manage all your organization's translations. To start, navigate to Setup in Salesforce. Search for Translation Workbench and click on Translation Settings. Make sure the workbench is enabled. You'll also need to add the languages you want to support. You can even assign specific users as translators for each language. Once Translation Workbench is ready, it's time to translate your flow components. Go to the Translate section within Translation Workbench. Here, you'll select the target language for your translation. For Setup component, choose Flow. This is critical for finding your flow's specific text. Then, select the exact object, which will be the name of your flow. For Aspect, you'll see options like Label, Help Text, or Choice Label. These correspond to the different parts of your flow's text. You'll see a list of items from your flow. Simply double-click in the Translation column next to the original text. Enter your translated text there. Don't forget to click Save after each translation. If your flow uses global pick list values or standard object pick list fields, remember these are translated separately. In Translation Workbench, select pick list value as the setup component and translate them there. For larger flows with a lot of text, manual translation can be time-consuming. Salesforce offers a more efficient method, exporting and importing translation files. In Translation Workbench, go to the Export section. Select your target language and choose Flow as the component. Export the .stf file. This is a tab-delimited file. Open it in a spreadsheet program like Excel. You'll see columns for the original text and the translation. Carefully enter your translations in the designated column. Be very careful not to alter any other columns, as this can cause errors. Save the file once all translations are complete. Then, go to the Import section in Translation Workbench. Select the language and upload your modified .stf file. This method is incredibly useful for managing bulk translations. Finally, and this is super important, always test your translations. After importing or manually translating, change your personal language settings in Salesforce to the language you just translated. Then, run your flow. Go through every screen, every choice, and every message. Verify that all text is displayed correctly in the new language. Check that the translations make sense in context and that nothing looks out of place. This testing phase ensures a smooth experience for your international users. And that's how you translate text in your Salesforce flows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you make your Salesforce solutions more global and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Salesforce tips and tricks. We appreciate your